Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just wanted to show you these car seat covers that I just got. Like most of you guys, I want to keep my car as long as possible, and I wanted to look like it just came off the showroom. I hate seeing scuffs and scratches on my car. One of the most expensive repairs is redoing the fabric on your car seats. Installing car seat cover is an easy way to protect your car's fabric. Here's everything you get with the purchase. You get covers for your headrest, this plastic pry tool. Don't lose it because it comes in very handy later when you're installing the car seats. You also get 4 of these widget pieces. It's going to keep your front cushion in place and prevent it from sliding around. You also get 2 front seat covers. Although it's made of a pleather-like material, it feels and looks great. The instruction manual was well written and it's very easy to understand. There's a lot of illustrations that show you step by step on how to install a car seat. The first thing you want to do is remove the headrest. Depending on the kind of car that you're driving, you may have to move your seat downward. Once the headrest is removed, the next step is to slide the car seat cover over it. Make sure you order the correct car seat cover, since every car is slightly different. The car seat also comes in different colors for you to pick from. You can get a full black, a black and beige, or the one that I got, which is black and gray. The first thing you want to do is attach those widgets that I showed you earlier. There are 2 gaps on the widget that you put the bands through. Next, slide it down the groove that's behind the car seat cushion. Once it's locked in place, the seat will not move around. You can either use that plastic pry tool that I showed you earlier, or if you have small hands, you can use that instead. Using the end tip of the pry bar, push the widgets to the back of your car seat. Once the seat cushion is in place, route the elastic band underneath your seat and push it through the back end. I forgot to mention, on the back of the car seat cover, they have a non-slip material that will prevent both the seat cushion and the seat cover from moving back and forth. Make sure to hide this elastic band underneath the seat. The thing that I really like about this car seat cover was that it was very easy to install. From start to finish, it took about 10 minutes per seat for me to install. And for the price, they look pretty good. Last thing you want to do is install the headrest. Just put the cover around it and then just pop it back in the way you took it out. Overall, these are a great car seat cover kit. They give your car a brand new look and protects the original upholstery. The reason why I got these is because I have a dog. He's a barker and scratcher. He's always running around the car, jumping on the dash and pawing on the seats. I got tired looking at those scratches, so I decided to get these seat covers. After I install it, there are some loose spots, but I'm hoping that over time that these would tighten up and won't look as noticeable. On the back of the seat covers, there's also these pockets that you can store your stuff in. The covers are also very easy to clean. Using water and soap, you will get rid of most of the stains. There's also breakaway seams on the side so it doesn't affect your side airbags. If you're ready to give your car a new look without spending a lot of money or time, then you should consider these giant PANDA car seat covers.